It's time to finish off the project with WeatherTech. Auto, home, pet. Find your fit at WeatherTech.com.
Welcome back to Truck U. So, Bruno, I know you're still wavering a bit as to what you really want to do with this Jeep. So I'm giving you options, much like I did with the suspension. I want you to be able to take it on and off the road. Same thing with this tire. Now, if you do go to the mall, see a lot of people do, a lot of the Jeeps are going to be on 35s. You're going to be on 37.
Yeah, buddy, that's how
right,
I like bringing it up a notch.
Absolutely, dude. And I know you want to keep it clean, so I'm hooking you up with these no-drill mud flaps from WeatherTech.
You know, what's nice about these mud flaps, just like everything from WeatherTech, it's laser measured specifically to fit the vehicle, man. So when you bolt these things on, it looks like it's part of the vehicle, like you got it from OEM, not an aftermarket or afterthought. You know, it fits the contour of the Jeep, man. It looks like it's part of it, like it should be there. And the nice thing, too, is the fact that it's actually going to give you some protection against mud and dirt and debris slinging up from these big tires and scratching and denting up the doors and the rocker panels.
So they give you the new hardware, and you can probably do the fronts and the rears in minutes, dude.
Love it.
Yeah.